Hello students, in the last video we discussed about the fourth chapter of microeconomics, the theory of the firm under the perfect competition. And perfect competition meaning features of the perfect competitions. There have many features of the perfect competition: large number of buyers and sellers, homogeneous product, single price, free entry and free exit, and complete knowledge, price taking behavior of the perfect competition market, and the revenue concept. We have studied the total revenue, average revenue, and marginal revenue. This is the total revenue and average revenue, marginal revenue table, and this is the total revenue curve, and this one it is the average revenue curve, price line, or a marginal curve also called. This line is called price line or average curve, and marginal curve also called. All are same here. And today we are discussing about the important topic, continuing part, price maximization, profit maximization. What is the profit? First we know the meaning of the profit. Already you know the meaning of the profit. The profit is defined to be the differences between its revenue, total revenue, and its total cost of the production. It is called profit. Profit means the differences between TR and TC, that is known as the profit, and it will be asked for a 1 marks question. And the firm's profit denotes, here the firm's profit denotes a pi. Here pi ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕರಿತೀವಿ. It's the formula of the profit maximization. It is a profit formula. Pi is equal to TR minus TC. Here this is the meaning of the price maximization. And another one, how to get the profit? Profit and hang togobek. There have 3 conditions to increase the profit or maximize the profit. That is the 3 conditions are the price. It is P. P is called a price. Price must be equal to MC, marginal cost. Here price equal to marginal cost. Must be equal to the marginal cost. Price ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we have to fix equal to the marginal cost, then only we get the profit from that product. And second, any one condition they can be apply here, okay, or 3 can be applied by the firms. They get the profit maximization, higher profit maximization here. Second one, MC must be non-decreasing at Q naught. MC, marginal cost, must be non-decreasing at Q naught. Here Q naught means highest, where the MC equal to MR point. MC equal to MR point. That point quantity is called Q naught. ನೀವು Q naught ಅನ್ನೋದ್ಲೇನ zero quantity ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, it is not a zero quantity. MR is equal to MC point. ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನು ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ Q naught ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ Q naught. MC must be non decreasing at Q naught. This is the second one. Q naught ಕಿಂತನೂ ಕೆಳಗೆ MC ಮಾರ್ಜಿನಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್, ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. And the third one, for the firm to continue to produce in the short run, in the short run and long run. In the short run, price must be greater than AVC, average variable cost. In the short period, price is a greater than AVC. Price hang fix ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ in the short run AVC greater than ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. It should be the greater than, price is a greater than to the AVC. And next, in the long run, price must be greater than AC in the long period. This is the case 1 and this one is the case 2. We will be studying the next continue topic. And this profit maximization very important. This topic covers 1 marks, 2 marks and 4 marks. 4 marks only they are ask the explanation about the first one and second one condition here. And next we see the first condition. Condition number 1, price must be equal to the MC. Price equal to the MC. Price equal agirbekanದ್ರೆ marginal cost ಗೆ equal ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. It means profits are the differences between total revenue and total cost. It is called a profit. We know that. And both TR and TC increases as the output increases. TR increase ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ, TC increases when output is increases. Total cost also increases and total revenue also increases. So notice that the long as the change in the TR is a greater than the change in the TC, profit will be continue. Same profit will be continue when we fix the price is equal to the marginal cost. That is called, here also same, Q naught means price is equal to the marginal cost. And next, here recall that a change in the TR per unit increase in the output is called a marginal revenue. TR the per unit will be changes, that is called a marginal revenue. It means additional revenue it is. And the change in the total cost per unit increases in the output is called marginal cost. These are the meaning of the marginal cost and next marginal revenue. Therefore, we can conclude that the long as marginal revenue is a greater than marginal cost, profit or increases. When in the long period marginal revenue is a greater than marginal cost, they get the higher profit or higher, it means increasing the profit also. By the same logic, as long as a marginal revenue is a lesser than the marginal cost, marginal revenue is the lesser than the marginal cost, profit will be fall. Marginal revenue kinta enantandre lesser than the marginal cost, it will be profit also falling. It means marginal cost increases as the marginal revenue increases, that the same marginal cost also increases. Suppose it will be both are falling, profit will be the fall. And if follows that for the profits will to be maximum, MR should equal to the MC, must be it is. In other words, profit are a maximum at the level of output, which is how to called Q naught. Just I am explained where the intersect of the both MR and MC. MR marginal revenue and marginal cost intersect point quantity is called Q naught. And you Q naught ಅನ್ನೋದ್ಲೆ zero ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಡ್ರಿ, it is not a zero. ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯಾವ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನು ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ Q naught ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ವಿಚ್ MR is equal to MC. For the perfectly competitive firm, we have established that the MR is equal to P. So the firm's profit maximizing output becomes the level of output at which P is equal to marginal cost. It is the first condition. This one is the first condition of the profit maximization. It means price ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we should be fix the prices is equal to the MC, marginal cost ಗೆ equal ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. That quantity is called a Q naught quantity of the first one. And what is the second condition? We know that it is the second condition, MC must be non-decreasing at Q naught. Q naught ಕಿಂತ marginal cost ಏನಾದರೂ must be non-decreasing at the Q naught. Q naught ಕಿಂತನೂ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ they will not get the profit from that product. That the reason it's we get the profit more and more. ಅದು ಇನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ we should must MC marginal cost must be non-decreasing at the Q naught. Consider the second condition that must hold when the profit maximizing output level is a positive. Why is this? It means is the case that the MC curve cannot slope downwards, at the profit maximizing output level. For example, here one diagram according to that condition number 2. Here this is the OY axis, this one price and marginal cost, MC price and MC here. This one is the P. This one is the P here, price and marginal cost. It is a P curve is called according to revenue here in this topic. P P curve is called marginal cost, marginal revenue, and P and etc. we are calling here. This one is the marginal cost curve. P line is called average revenue or marginal revenue also we are calling. Okay, both are. P price line is called average revenue, marginal revenue line also we are called, according to last before the last video I was explained about the AR and MR. Here this one is the P. Here A point and B point. This is the marginal cost curve. Marginal cost curve shape is a U shape. You should write this like this only. The marginal cost curve is a U shape. This one is the price. For example, price it is a 10 rupees. Just assume it is a price is a 10 rupees. In the prices here in A point and B point, intersect point, marginal cost equal to marginal revenue here, or a price is equal to MC, or here also in the B point price is equal to MC, or a marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue. This line is called marginal revenue. This straight line P line is called marginal revenue or average revenue or a price line. All are same. ಅದನ್ನ ಮೂರನ್ನು ಒಂದನ್ನು ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಾತೀನಿ marginal cost is equal to the marginal revenue, A point and B point. But in the A point, Q1, quantity 1, for example, per pen, price is 10 rupees. Only quantity 1 they can be buy here. ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇದನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ less quantity sold in the market. That's the reason Q1 is not a consider. But B point, it is a marginal cost is equal to the marginal revenue, but quantity is a Q4. It is equal to the price and marginal cost. It is profitable to the firm. That's the reason they are considered Q4. Q naught antanu karteve. We are calling this one Q naught here when the both intersect point, marginal revenue, marginal MC is equal to the MR. That quantity is called Q naught here. This is the Q4 is a Q naught here. Yakil this one, these lines are a very loss area. This one ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾರ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ the marginal cost curve is below the price line. This one is the price line. It is the below the price line. Price line is below irodrinda they never get the profit from this point. That's the reason they are here. For example, this point they are taken, but the marginal cost is here. Price is higher, but quantity is less sold. Output kadime akatille. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹಿತ less they can get a profit. Price line is above the MC curve, but quantity is less. Suppose illenandre both are equal, quantity also high, price also high compared to this one, and this one suppose quantity 4 and 10 rupees prices. Okay, next here this point ee Q5 enadu togondru antandre cost are high, price is less. This line is above and price line is below. That's the reason the Q naught they are considered as a Q naught or a Q4. It is a more profitable in according to second condition. Non-decreasing marginal cost is a non-decreasing at Q naught. Q naught kinta kadime idadana ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. For example, marginal where the point MC is equal to MRR, P is equal to MC. Marginal cost, that point only they are considered. But idu bartೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, but the very less quantity here they are producing very less. That's the reason the firm they are ignoring this one, and higher production they are considered as a higher production. This one is the better to they get the, suppose Q naught or this point they are taking, they get the highest profit from this point. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ firms they are selecting this point. This is only explanation about this diagram here. Very important. These both are very important. This is for a 4 marks question. First condition and second condition should be explanation. ಇದನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಇದು Q4ಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಇದು Q1ಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ B ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ OY ಎಕ್ಸಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್, OX ಎಕ್ಸಸ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್. ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. Next, third conditions. In the third condition, there have two cases. First, case number 1 and case number 2 here. Short run, in the short run, case number 1, in the short run, P must be greater than AVC. In the second case number 2, long run, P must be greater than average cost here in the short period and long period. First we see here. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ರ ಪಿ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ AVC ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರ. ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಹೈ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ತೊಗೋಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟನ್ನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ P is greater than AVC. We will show that the statement case number 1 is true by arguing that a profit maximizing from in the short period. We see here OYX's price and cost. Okay, these are the cost curves, AVC, SAC and SMC in the short period. And next OX's, it is the output level. This one is the output level. We see here OY-axis, they are given the price line. This one is the price line, this is the cost line, so the cost of the firm. Here for example, below the yakandre cost line yak bartite antandre, this one is the AVC and ASMC, marginal cost and average cost equal point ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡೇವಿ, B ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡೇನೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ a firm price is fixed less than AVC. AVC ಕಿಂತ average variable cost ಕಿಂತನೂ ಪ್ರೈಸನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. The price should becomes below the AVC curve. This is the loss of the firm. This one is the loss of the firm from A to B point here. Suppose OP it is the price, OQ1 is the quantity. Suppose total cost here, total cost and total revenue. This is the OE, B and Q1. This is the total cost. But total revenue they are earn only O, P, A and Q1 here. This is the earning. But total revenue is less than total cost or AVC. AVC ಗಿಂತ total revenue ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೈತಿ less ಆಗುತ್ತೈತಿ. Because of the reason they are fixed the less prices. Suppose ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಂಗಂತಂದರೆ, one pen ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ there have one pen. One pen price is 10 rupees ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು, 10 rupeesಗಿಂತ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ 12 rupees ಆಗಿತ್ತು. Cost is AVC is the 12 rupees, but they are fixed the 10 rupees of the prices. This A and B is the differences between price of both. For example, P is 10 and AVC cost is 12 rupees. 12 rupees are a loss to the firm. This is the loss area when the price is line is below the AVC. AVC ಕಿಂತ ಕೆಳಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಇದೇನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗೂಡು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ತೊಗೊರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ತೊಗೊರಿ. ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಸ್ 5 rupees. They are fixed, the firm fixed by the pencil price is 5 rupees. But cost, AVC cost or average variable cost, it is the 8 rupees or 10 rupees ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು. 10 rupees price ಐತಿ, 10 rupees cost ಐತಿ, but 5 rupees price fix ಮಾಡ್ರ. That will be the loss of the 5 rupees to the firm. Okay, suppose price ಏನಾದರೂ in the short period they are fixed, the prices is less than AVC. AVC ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ they get the losses to the firm. ಆ ಫರ್ಮನ್ನು ಏನಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಸ್ಟೇಜಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ದ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ AVC, ಆ್ಯಾವ್ರೇಜ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್, ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದೆ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್. ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಕೇಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ total revenue equal to the price and quantity, vertical OP and into OQ, the rectangular shape OPAQ, this OPAQ1, this rectangular shape, it is the revenue. OEBQ1, this rectangular shape, it is the cost. Cost is higher but profit is less, total revenue is less. Same thing TVC also, they are given here. And next case number 2 here. In the case number long run P must be a greater than AC. Same hinga bartati illi AVC kinta kadime idrinda loss ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. In the long period AC kinta below the price, they are fixed the below the price of AC, they get the loss to the firm. In the case it is also true argument that it is a real ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಬಲನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರೈಸನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂದ್ರೆ ದೆ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಲಾಸಸ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಹೈ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ದೆ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪ್ರೈಸನ್ನು 2 ಪಟ್ಟ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ದೇ ನೀಡ್ ದ 5 or 6 rupees, ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಈಸ್ 10 rupees. ABC is the 5 to 6 rupees, but they are fixed the 10-12 rupees as 5 rupees and 6 rupees are 4 rupees of the profit they are getting from that product. Same is it. Case number 2 ಒಳಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. This one is the OYXS, it is the price and cost. OXS it is the output and it is the price line, this one, and this one is the E point, this one E here, this is the AC long run average cost curve. This is one the intersect point, but intersect point ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡಾರ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಲೋ ದ AC ಕಿಂತ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಏನಾಗೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಲೋ ಐತಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಬಟ್ A ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ B ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲಾಸಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಫರ್ಮ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ 10 rupees ಐತಿ, ಬಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ 12 rupees, 2 rupees ಲಾಸಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಫರ್ಮ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹಿತ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ OPAQ1 ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ. OEBQ1 it is the total cost of the firm. Total cost is higher than the total revenue. It is a loss area. This area it is the loss area to the firm. That's the reason price must be greater than AC ಕಿಂತ above ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಪ್ರೈಸನ್ನು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಫರ್ಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್, ಎವ್ರಿ ಫರ್ಮ್ ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಅರ್ನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ profit maximization. Here profit maximization problem are graphically representation of the profit maximization. Here a firm's profit maximization problem in the short run, and we see just they are given about the short period. Long period same as it is hangagtೈತಿ, just one diagram short period ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅವರು. Consider figure, notice that the market price is a P equal to the, here this one is the diagram of the profit maximization. ನಾವು ಈವರೆಗೆ ನೋಡೋದು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಗಿಂತ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಲೋ ಇತ್ತು. ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬಿಲೋ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಮೋರ್ ಲಾಸಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಫರ್ಮ್. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ OP it is the price. Q0 means where the marginal cost and price line equal point, or marginal cost and MR is equal, that is called Q0 or Q4, quantity 4 here maximum. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟು ಹೈ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಏನೇನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಹೈ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ P line, this is the price line or marginal revenue or average revenue line, SMC and SAC and AVC curve. ನೀವು ಈವರೆಗೂ 2 diagrams, ಕೇಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 and ಕೇಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಬಿ AVC, below the AVC, but we get the price is cost is 12 rupees, we fix the price is 14 rupees. 14 rupees ಅನ್ನು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ this is the A and B differences, it is the profit area. This is the profit area. EPAB, this rectangular it is the profit area when they fix the higher price than the AVC. AVC ಕಿಂತ AC ಕಿಂತನೂ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಹೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ we get the profit. For example 12 rupees per pen rupees is 12 rupees cost, but we fix the price is 14 or 15 rupees, just we get the 2 rupees of profit from that pen. Here OPAQ0 it is the this one it is the profit total revenue. AEBQ0 it is the total cost. Here total cost is the less and total revenue is the higher. We get the total cost is the 12 rupees and total revenue it is the 14 rupees, 2 rupees is the profit to the firm when we fix the prices is the above the AVC and AC. Average cost kinta average variable cost kinta no price now high ittag matra we get the more and more profit that from that particular product. This is the main topics of the main condition, 3 conditions of the profit maximization. Just I am given here homework, 2 marks question and 4 marks question. Here first question, 2 marks question, mention the conditions needed for profit by a firm under the perfect competition. Perfect competition. Mention the conditions needed, 3 conditions. First condition you have to write 3 conditions here. First condition, second condition and third condition. What is the first condition? First condition, price is equal to marginal cost. Second condition, here MC is non decreasing at the Q naught. Third condition, in the short period price is greater than AVC. In the longer period, second case number 2, price is greater than AC. These are the 3 conditions of the needed of the profit by the firm under this. You 3 conditions ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ 2 marks ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ. 3 conditions mention ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, only mention, not explanation. And 4 marks question, write a short note on the profit. This is very important. ಈ question ಬಂದ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. 4 marks ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ. ಇರೋ 4 marks 2 questions ಇರ್ತಾವೆ, ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಕೇಳಕತ್ತಾರ. ಇದನ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ವಿತ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ರಿ. Write a short note on a profit maximization of a firm under the following conditions. A, P is equal to MC. Second one, MC must be non-decreasing at Q naught. These are the important questions of this topic, only profit maximization topic. Next part I will continue in the next video. Thank you. Ee video nimage like agida subscribe madri and like madri. Okay, thank you.